Namaste everyone. Today let us discuss few questions from exponents and powers. So my first question is, simplify 64 raised to power minus 1 upon 6, 216 raised to power minus 1 upon 3 and 81 raised to power 1 upon 4 whole divided by 512 raised to power minus 1 upon 3, 16 raised to power 1 upon 4 multiply by 9 raised to power minus 1 upon 2. So first of all, you can see that the power of each number is rational number. So what we need to do, first of all, we have to remove these powers. How we can remove? Let us see. 64 can be written as 2 raised to power 6 and its whole power is minus 1 upon 6. It is as it is. Multiply by 216. You can factorize and check. Can be written as 6 raised to power 3 whole raised to power minus 1 upon 3. Multiply by 81 can be written as 3 raised to power 4 and whole power is 1 upon 4 whole divided by 512 can be written as 8 raised to power 3 and you can write 2 raised to power 9 also. So I am writing 8 raised to power 3 whole raised to power minus 1 upon 3. Then 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4 and whole raised to power 1 upon 4 and 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2 and whole raised to power minus 1 upon 2. So we know if we have power raised to power means if we have a raised to power m whole raised to power n, this will be equals to a raised to power m multiplied by n. So what is your solution now? This will be equals to 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by minus 1 upon 6. Similarly, 6 raised to power 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3. Then whole multiply 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Same in the denominator. 8 raised to power 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3. 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4 whole multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2. So here 6 ones are 6, 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4. Same 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, then 2 ones are 2. So what is left with you? Here we have 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by minus 1 will be minus 1. So 2 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by 6 raised to power minus 1 multiply by 3 raised to power 1 can be written as 3 whole divided by 8 raised to power minus 1 multiply by 2 raised to power 1 can be written as 2 multiply by 3 raised to power minus 1. Now first of all, you have to make the power positive. Still it is negative. So how you can make it positive? Let us see. You know a raised to power minus m can be written as 1 upon a whole raised to power m, means we have to take reciprocal of base to make the power positive. So reciprocal of 2 will be 1 upon 2 multiply by reciprocal of 6 will be 1 upon 6, then multiply by 3 whole divided by reciprocal of 8 will be 1 upon 8 multiply by 2 as it is, then multiply by reciprocal of 3 will be 1 upon 3. Now let us divide it. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 ones are 2 2 4s are 8. I'm simplifying numerator and denominator separately yet. So, what is in numerator now? 1 1s are 1, 1s are 1. So, it is 1 upon 2 2s are 4. Whole divided by 1 upon 4 3s are 12. Now, to simplify it, take reciprocal of the denominator. So, it will be 1 upon 4 multiplied by 12 upon 1. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. The answer will be equals to 3. The next one is simplify cube root of x raised to power 4 y whole multiplied by 1 upon cube root of x multiplied by y raised to power 7 and whole raised to power minus 4. Now how to simplify it? First of all, let us multiply these two expressions inside the bracket itself. So, bracket as it is, cube root of x raised to power 4 into y multiplied by 1, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So, this will be equal to cube root of x raised to power 4 y whole upon, here again, cube root of x y raised to power 7 whole raised to power minus 4. Let us write them in the form of exponents. So this will be equals to x raised to power 4y whole raised to power, cube root means 1 upon 3, then xy raised to power 7 whole raised to power 1 upon 3, and the whole power is minus 4. Then, now here power is same, bases are different. So we know that a raised to power m upon b raised to power m can be written as a upon b whole raised to power m, where b must not be equal to 0. Then, here b is not equal to 0, means we can take the power common. So this will become x raised to power 4 y whole upon xy raised to power 7 and whole raised to power, we have 1 upon 3 which we took common, then whole power minus 4, still I am writing as it is. This will be equals to, now see, the 1 power of x is decreased, so 4 minus 1 is 3 here, same 1 power of y is decreased, so 7 minus 1, 6 here, means here we have 4 times x, so 1 is decreased, 3 times left, and here we have 7 times y, 1 is decreased, so 6 times left. So inside the bracket we have x raised to power 3 whole divided by y raised to power 6, and here powers will be multiplied, so this will become 1 upon 3 multiplied by minus 4. This will be equals to, now inside the bracket we cannot simplify, so write them as it is, y raised to power 6, then here we can multiply minus 4 into 1, minus 4 upon 3 1s are 3. Now the power is negative, to make it positive we have to take the reciprocal of base. So reciprocal of base will be y raised to power 6 upon x raised to power 3, and now the power will be positive, this is 4 upon 3. Now Again power raised to power is there. So the power will be multiplied with both powers of numerator and denominator. So this will be equals to y raised to power 6 multiplied by 4 upon 3 whole divided by x raised to power 3 multiplied by 4 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So the simplified form is y raised to power 2 fours are 8 whole upon x raised to power 4. Ones are 4. So this is your simplification of given expression. So our next question is evaluate. What you need to evaluate? First part is 3 multiplied by 16 raised to power 3 upon 4 and second part is 2 multiplied by 27 raised to power minus 2 upon 3. So let us evaluate first part. This will be equals to 3 as it is. You have to write its power is nothing but its power is in the form of p upon q. So to simplify it, first of all factorize the base and this can be written as 2 raised to power 4 and whole power 3 upon 4. So then 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4. You know the formula, power raised to power means powers will be multiplied. So 4 ones are 4. This will become 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 which is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 is 8 and 8 3s are 24. Same in second part. This will be equals to 2 multiplied by 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3 and whole raised to power is minus 2 upon 3. So again powers will be multiplied. So this will be equals to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by minus 2 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 and this will be equals to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 2. Now power is negative. To make it positive, take the reciprocal of base. So 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3 raised to power 2 which will be equals to 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So 2 ones are 2, ones are 2 again. So this will be equals to 2 upon 3 3s are 9. Next is find the value of, and you have to find out the value of 5 raised to power 2 plus 12 raised to power 2 and whole raised to power 1 upon 2. So let us simplify inside the bracket. First of all, we know that 5 raised to power 2 means 5 5s are 25 plus 12 raised to power 2 means 12 12s are 144 and whole raised to power 1 upon 2 we have. Then 144 plus 25 will be equals to 169 and whole raised to power 1 upon 2 we have. So this will be equals to 13 raised to power 2. 169 can be written as 13 raised to power 2 and whole power we have 1 upon 2. So this is equals to 13 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 and the answer will be equals to 13. So next is find the value of x if the first part is 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x equals to 192 and second is 8 raised to power 255 equals to 32 raised to power x. So let us solve the first part first of all. Remember, when the variable is in the power, so first of all we must equate the bases. But here we have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x. So it is 3 times and can be written as 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power x equals to 192. Remember, here maximum student what used to do, they used to multiply this 3 multiplied by 2 but you cannot multiply because its power is x and its power is nothing. So what we need to do here, take this 3 to the right side. This will be equals to 3, we have to take right side, and we are left with 2 raised to power x equals to 192 upon 3. So 3 6 are 18, 3 4 are 12. What is left? 64. But here the base is 2. So in right side also the base must be 2, and we have to write 64 in the powers of 2. So 2 raised to power x will be equals to 2 raised to power 6 is 64. So now the bases are same. Equating powers. The value of x will be equals to 6. Means the power of this 2 in the left side we have to equate with the power of 2 in the right side. So this is your required answer. Next, here we have 8 raised to power 255 and 32 raised to power x. So let us do prime factorization of them, because 32 cannot be written in the form of in the powers of 8 and 8 cannot be written in the powers of 32. So for the common base we will write 2 raised to power 3 and whole raised to power 255 will be equals to 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5 whole raised to power x. This implies that now the powers will be multiplied in both sides. So this is equals to 2 raised to power 3 into 255 will be equals to 2 raised to power 5 multiplied by x. Now the bases are same, you can equate the powers. Equating powers, 3 into 255 will be equals to 5 into x. Bring 5 to the left side, 3 multiplied by 255 upon 5 is there will be equals to x. So 5 are 25, 5 ones are 5, and the value of x will be equals to 153. 51 3s are 153. This is your required answer. Last question we have, if 4 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x minus 1 equals to 24, find x. Now remember, again x is in the power. So what we need to do, we have to make the bases same and then we have to equate the powers. So to make the bases same, first of all let us see what we can do. This 4 raised to power x I am writing as it is, and remember this 4 raised to power x minus 1 can be written as 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power minus 1. Why I am writing in the form of 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power minus 1? Because now I can take 4 raised to power x as a common. So you know powers will be plus and you will be getting same number. So equals to 24 as it is. Then 4 raised to power x is common. Let us take it common. Here nothing was in multiplication, can be written as 1 into 4 raised to power x. So 4 raised to power x is taken common, 1 is left inside. Then minus 4 raised to power minus 1 can be written as, the power is negative, take reciprocal, this will be equals to 1 upon 4 will be equals to 24. Now simplify inside the brackets. You cannot multiply them because its power is unknown. So this implies that 4 raised to power x multiplied by, take LCM will be 4 and 4 ones are 4 minus 1 ones are 1 equals to 24. Then simplify it more. This will be equals to 4 raised to power x multiply by here 4 minus 1 3 upon 4 equals to 24. Now take this 3 upon 4 to the right side. Its reciprocal will go in multiply, or this 4 will go in multiply and 3 will go in divide. So 4 raised to power x will be equals to 24 multiplied by 4 upon 3. 3 8 ja 24 and 8 4 ja 32 we have. So 4 raised to power x will be equals to 32. Now write in the form of in the powers of 2 to equate the bases. So 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 will be equals to raised to power x will be equals to 2 raised to power 5. So this will be equals to 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by x is 2x equals to 2 raised to power 5. Now the bases are same. So what is your next step? Equate the powers. Equating powers. This will be equals to, now its power is 2x and its power is 5. 2x will be equals to 5 and the value of x will be 5 upon 2. This is your required answer.